Alright, hello folks. So, in this video, I'm at York, Pennsylvania for the Fairlane Club of America. So this is Fairlanes and Torinos and Mercury Cyclones and Comets. So, it's a cool show. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's check out some awesome cars. A 63 Fairlane late model tribute car. It's very cool. And a 67 GTA convertible. It's a 70 Torino Twister Cobra Jet. Very nice car. A 429 CJ. Calypso coral paint. That looks awesome. There's a 69 Mercury Cyclone spoiler, Cale Yarborough edition, one of only 252 built, or no, sorry, 285 were built. Has a 351 Windsor, very nice. Here's a 67 Fairlane. I like the gold stripes on it. Oh, and it's got a 5-speed. Very nice. Nice Fairlane, sounds good. 1963. And here's a 63 or 4 Fairlane. Nice color on it. 67 Ranchero, 289. Nice Torino Cobra, 429 with a shaker hood. That is awesome. Row of a few 66 or 67 Fairlanes. This one here has a 427, 2 4-barrels. Another 427 with 2 4-barrels. It's awesome. Got nice slicks on the back. Very cool. Got a roll bar. Nice car. Like the blue on this one. Got a 429. Even got a motor plate. Fuel injection. Super cool. 532 cubic inches. America. Here's a couple 65 Fairlanes. This one here is Sports Coupe, the 289. It's cool, you don't see this body style very often, so this is awesome. This one has a 289 as well, and air conditioning. Sweet, or I should say cool. 64 Fairlane wagon, even has original interior. Very nice. I like the tan and the burgundy. Nice car. Alright, well, thank you all for watching. So, a little bit shorter video than normal, but I think it was still cool. I hope you still enjoyed it. So, if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, and until next time, I'm gone.